As much as public relations is not journalism, it isn't advertising either. Advertising tries to seduce its customers, almost literally at times, while public relations tries to motivate them with facts. Advertisers control the information in ads because they pay for them. PR provides information to journalists, but can't actually control what the journalists do with it. Ads are flashy with exaggeration, while PR is more low-key and serious. Advertising is expensive. Total U.S. spending for the top 200 advertisers reached a record $142 billion in 2015. That's billion with a B. PR is relatively cheap in comparison. Advertising relies on repetition. How many times do you need to see a restaurant's TV commercial before you eat there? In PR, your efforts are fresh. You write only one news release and hold only one publicity event for a specific thing. And ads are typically targeted to a broad audience, anyone with money to spend on a product. PR, meanwhile, is tailored to a more specific audience, decision makers or journalists who might write about your product. And finally, people try to avoid advertising while they actively seek out stories and information.